What we were very surprised to see though was that Lark was not just a replacement for Meta Workplace, it was like 100 times more than that. Hi, my name is Wai Hong. I'm the Chieftain and co-founder at StoreHub. We're very grateful that Meta retired Workplace. It really gave us an opportunity to kind of understand, break into Lark, and everything from the fact that it is chat-centric or chat-first as a platform was built for the chat era as opposed to where a lot of these tools were built for the email era, and how it's mobile first. I think all of that became a very meaningful foundation for us to stack all kinds of value on top of the Lark platform. So yeah, we got a lot of really exciting kind of like opportunities when we were looking at a platform, just because we knew that it would solve communication problems, it would solve source of truth problems, it would solve the ability for us to declutter the noise that employees get all the time. It's really hard to share with people like how amazing Lark is, because it really is a very big kind of like platform that solves so many different problems. Yeah, so one of the biggest things I'm a fan of is to really have different parts of the organization be very transparent about the process of the function, right? So for example, everything from the marketing team to operations teams to customer care teams. The Lark Wiki was a very important part of being able to say, okay, which is the source of truth document that we can reference, whether that's as leaders or as co-collaborators from other departments. Because oftentimes, improving processes, improving outcomes are a collaboration of multiple departments. We are very fortunate. We are a well-capitalized company in this space, in this industry, and we are excited about growing. We have plans, both expansion deeper into the markets that we're in and expansion to new markets. And the timing of having embraced Lark, I think just under a year ago, is amazing because we feel confident that as we scale, whether that's the human communication gaps, to get more people on board, or the automation, or the tracking of these human interventions within your automation workflow. All of that is, we can depend on a partner like Lark to help us to grow and scale. But to be quite honest, I feel like we are still 10% at most leveraging the potential of what Lark can do for our organization. And I think we want to get to 20, 30, 50% hopefully in the next year or two. And I think that's something that's super exciting for me.